Best AI tools for students in 2025. In 2025, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's an everyday companion for students around the world. From automating research and summarizing textbooks to generating citations and enhancing writing, AI tools are transforming how students study, learn, and create. 1. Notion. AI Notion. AI is an incredibly helpful tool for students, seamlessly integrated into the popular productivity app, Notion. It can assist with drafting essays, brainstorming ideas, creating study schedules, and summarizing lengthy notes or articles. Students can use it to generate to-do lists, improve their writing, or quickly outline projects with just a few prompts. Notion AI also shines in organizing information, helping students keep track of assignments, deadlines, and group work. Its flexibility makes it suitable for both individual and collaborative tasks. 2. Grammarly. Grammarly is a widely used AI-powered writing assistant that helps students improve their grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. It offers real-time suggestions to enhance clarity and tone, making it ideal for essays, reports, and emails. The platform also provides detailed explanations for corrections, helping users understand their mistakes and grow as writers. Beyond basic editing, Grammarly's advanced tools available in the premium version include style suggestions, plagiarism detection, and vocabulary enhancement. 3. ChatGPT Pro Study Mode. ChatGPT's Pro version, especially in study mode, is a powerful AI tool tailored for academic support. It can clarify complex concepts, provide detailed explanations, and assist in generating ideas for essays or research projects. Students can ask it to rephrase text, summarize articles, or create practice questions for exam preparation. The study mode is designed to adapt responses based on specific academic needs, offering highly relevant and precise answers. 4th, Perplexity. Perplexity. AI is a research-focused tool that helps students find reliable information quickly and efficiently. It simplifies the process of gathering data by generating direct answers and sourcing credible references for further exploration. This AI tool is especially useful for students working on research papers or in-depth assignments, as it provides clear responses while pointing to additional resources. Its ability to process and synthesize information from various sources makes it an excellent choice for tackling questions or unfamiliar topics. 5. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is a cutting-edge transcription tool designed to help students capture and organize spoken content. It automatically transcribes lectures, group discussions, or interviews into text, allowing students to review and search key points with ease. The tool includes features like audio playback, synchronized with transcripts, and options for sharing notes with peers. Its ability to identify speakers and generate summary highlights makes it especially useful for collaborative projects or detailed study sessions. With mobile and desktop compatibility, Otter.ai ensures that students can access and process their recordings conveniently, enhancing productivity and reducing the need for manual note-taking. 6. QuillBot. QuillBot is a versatile AI writing and paraphrasing tool that helps students refine their work with ease. Its paraphrasing tool allows users to reword sentences while maintaining the original meaning, making it helpful for improving clarity or avoiding redundancy. The summarizer feature condenses lengthy text into concise overviews, saving time for research or studying. Additionally, the grammar checker and citation generator streamline the writing process, ensuring both accuracy and proper referencing.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.